Let's learn how to remove or adjust sound or audio from your videos using the CapCut editing app. Whether you're looking to eliminate background noise, unwanted audio, or simply mute a specific part of your video, CapCut offers a simple and effective solution. This process is easy and works on both iOS and Android devices, so just follow these steps. First, open your CapCut application and import the video from which you want to remove the sound. For this example, I'll import a video that has background music. There are two methods you can use to mute the audio and completely remove the sound from a video. The first method is to select the video, then scroll down until you find the volume icon. Tap on it, and a volume slider will appear. Simply drag the slider all the way to the left to mute the sound entirely or adjust the volume to your desired level. The second method involves separating the audio from the video. Make sure your video is selected on the timeline. Then scroll down again until you see the extract audio icon. Tap on it, and this will separate the audio track from the video. The bottom track represents the audio. If you want to remove it, tap on the audio track to select it. Then click on the trash can icon to delete it. And that's how you can remove or adjust the sound from your video and mute it completely. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching and see you soon!